So OpenAI rolled up to Dev Day and casually announced AgentKit, because apparently we needed a way to let AI do more than talk. Now it can click, call, coordinate, and maybe even calendar better than us. It's a toolbox for building agents that don't just think, they do. Which is both thrilling and slightly alarming. Like handing your intern the company credit card and hoping they've read the handbook. Think of AgentKit like IKEA for AI agents. Some assembly required, hex key included, and yes, the instructions probably assume you know which end is up. Developers can plug agents into apps, APIs, and workflows so they can fetch data, trigger actions, and automate chores. If you've ever begged a bot to stop summarizing and start doing, this is the moment it puts on pants and shows up to work, mostly on time. The pitch? Agents that can perform tasks end-to-end, not just drafting an email but sending it, not just planning a workflow but running it, with guardrails you hopefully remember to set. It's less chat, more action, like if your to-do list grew a spine. I love the potential for repetitive task relief, but also I'm bookmarking the undo button in case the agent gets enthusiastic with delete all energy. Under the hood, it's about integrations, connecting models to tools, services, and data with clear permissions. Think, call this API, update that record, file this report, and please try not to confuse staging with production, champ. The good news, structured actions bring predictability. The spicy news, autonomy means your agent can move fast and occasionally reorganize your digital sock drawer, unless you add proper constraints, logs, and approvals. Productivity-wise, this screams, automate the boring stuff, which my soul deeply supports. Customer support flows, data enrichment, scheduling, reporting, hand it off to an agent and reclaim your will to live. But let's be honest, agents are only as good as your prompts, permissions, and monitoring. If you give it the keys and the map, don't be shocked when it takes the scenic route through production on a Friday at 4:59 p.m. OpenAI just rolled out AgentKit, because apparently our to-do lists weren't long enough. It's designed to help developers build, deploy, and optimize AI agents from prototype to production. Basically, training wheels to turbo mode. Announced at Dev Day by Sam Altman, it sounds like the Swiss Army knife we'll pretend we already knew how to use. The star of the show is Agent Builder, a visual, Canva-like interface for crafting agent logic. Yes, design your agent like a flyer. Except instead of picking fonts, you're wiring brains. It rides on the Responses API, which politely translates your ambitions into actual behavior. Fancy, dangerously convenient, and a little too friendly. Let's be honest, this is aimed straight at developer adoption, aka getting us hooked faster than a free trial with premium vibes. Competing platforms are already waving autonomous agent banners, so OpenAI tossed in a toolkit that says, stop soldering, start shipping. Efficiency, but with fewer existential breakdowns and slightly nicer buttons.